Today we are headed to Gatundu. Sasa ndo tuna catch up. Alafu sasa talk. The rest anakuja huko mbali.
That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I'm gonna let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Another day on the road.
Yeah. Apa ni itu? Ya sabdi. Tuh bagi tata. Kan ada yang dia kutembea huku.
Let's go. I don't wanna break down. I always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I'm just gonna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay, only say now. I'm ready for better days on the playground. I'm way too when I'm facing down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Of course. Bajana una record nini?
Glukoza, uko na glukoza. Acha utoa bana. Sasa suri.
Eti nini?
Uko Babangida University ndio
College.
Wengine wanasukuma.
unasema nini?
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want in life. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me, to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Almost there.
Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me, to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light, I need to breathe. Get me up and out of the sheets, under my feet. Another cup of coffee and me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Hey, I think I need to be on some medication. I think I need to think about the segregation. I think I need just a better education. Do you understand the word that's so complicated? It's scary, I'm not faded. So I can see, think it right.
Ati wanasema wanataka kufika huko. Hai. Hai. Hai.
Mauano hii.
I feel hated, I feel hatred, I'm lost deep in my mind that I created. I have dreams when my life is devastated. You're so real that I wait to shake it. Niggas scared cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if it's like LeBron or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through, drink it up, enjoy the view. MVP, I'm not cool, Nike on my shoes. Might be sipping blues, slightly feeling loose. If I want it, then I have it. Got a nice fist, causing damage, just like a bandit. Call me damage. Have the shirt in your bag, make the sandwich. If you got it, I just want it. Baby, I can you just got it. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living life right like I'm Walter. She always told me I never call her. Oh yeah, I'm living this life like I'm rolled up in a coupe, up in a Chevy. I'ma hit it in the back if she
So today we were having a ride. Yeah, based on Wednesday we were having a ride from KU to Kiambu County, that is GATUNDU South, I think, constituency in Kiambu. So guys, you have to be steamed. Lazima ukuwe na gas. Hiyo na watu watoto. Mambo ya bicycle. Lazima ukuwe na gas. Anyway, all the best. I wish us all the best. I wish us all the best.
Bank, okay, kiss and hug me. It ain't nothing, dropping money. Okay, I'll take getting lucky, yeah.